Investing through Revolut involves using their platform to access various investment products. Here's how you can invest using Revolut. Open a Revolut account. If you don't already have one, download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. Complete the verification process, which typically requires providing identification documents. Access the investment feature. In the Revolut app, navigate to the Invest section, usually located in the main menu. This will give you access to the investment features offered by Revolut. Choose your investment product. Revolut offers a range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Select the investment product you're interested in and explore available options. Research and select investments. Research different investment options available on Revolut. And choose investments that align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Place your investment orders. Once you've chosen your investments, use the Revolut app to place your investment orders. Specify the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments through the Revolut app. Monitor performance, review account statements, and stay informed about market developments.